Yeah, move. Move. Bye. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and today I'm gonna answer the question, Prachi, what are you doing with your skin? I've been getting this question a lot, especially on my Smile with Prachi videos. So, every once in a while you discover something new that you want to tell your friends and the whole world about. Well, as a blogger, that's what I do, so I love my job. So I'm going to talk about this Thalgo kit, guys. I actually got this. I've already talked about this on my channel, so I'm going to keep it short. But you might remember in my Vanity Cask video, I can actually put it over here for effect, and I ruined it by saying that. Anyways, you might remember in my Vanity Cask video for the month of January, you actually get this thing for free. So basically this is the offer. Let me make this very quick. On a 3 or 6 month subscription, you get a Thalgo kit free, and you know what's absolutely amazing is that you save a ton of money. What's that sound? You save a ton of money because you're already paying less and you're also getting a Thalgo kit. Oh my god, there's so much of sound in the background. And now for take 2, guys, and I hope there won't be any sound in the background because the sunlight is already coming on my face. I've shifted the camera a little bit, so I hope it's not too weird. Now, like I was talking about Thalgo Discovery Cracker Pack, that's what they're calling it, the Thalgo Discovery Cracker Pack. I'll put more details in the description box below about this pack. So this is basically a pack which has been picked by Thalgo experts themselves, for their global launch, and oh my god, the products have been working so well for me, guys. For all those of you who don't know about Thalgo, let me quickly tell you about Thalgo. It's a French skincare brand and it's a luxury brand, and when I mean luxury, I mean luxury, okay? So the products start with rupees 1000. You can actually go online and see this for yourself. The products, they start with rupees 1000 but they end at rupees 54,000. So you can imagine the products are like worth a lot of money, and they have been reviewed really well globally. They have been recommended by experts, so they're like really good, especially because they're working well for me, so I really like them. So in this Thalgo Discovery Cracker Pack, what you basically get are these 4 tubes. Alright guys, take 3. Sorry, I just had to change my camera setting because it was getting like really sunny on my face, and although by the way, because of the sun, you can actually have a better look of my skin and what's looking like right now. So the first product that I want to talk about is this Hydra Marine Serum from Thalgo, and oh my god guys, this serum has been so good. So one of the most amazing things about serum, why serums work really well for you, is that they actually have smaller particles which can actually penetrate your skin deeper. So winter has been a very tough time for me because I already have dry skin and the weather out here is extremely dry, but there's something which I feel that if you use this on a regular basis, it can actually keep your skin glowing and hydrated. And then I have with me the Thalgo Deeply Nourishing Body Cream, which again is like a moisturizer for your body, but you can totally use this on your face as well. Next I have with me the Thalgo Cold Cream Marine, which I have been religiously using every single day except for the one day when I didn't. And this product is amazing, guys. It's probably like one of my favorite creams till date, because this cream, it gets absorbed into the skin and it just makes your skin glow almost instantly. And last but not the least is this Marine Shower Gel, which actually I have used for only 2 times. So Marine Shower Gel, basically I used it when I was traveling. I was like, okay, I have one travel size friendly tube with me, and the shower gel was quite good. It's like very refreshing. If you're feeling really tired, it has a spa-like quality to it because it'll just make you feel more relaxed and less tired after you're done using it. I think it's more to do with the fragrance of the product. I'm not really sure what does it, but yeah, it does feel really good. So as you might have noticed, all the tubes over here have the word marine in it because it uses some marine technology, which I would have understood if I wasn't a science noob for most part of it. But yeah, this is some kind of a new technology that they have been using, and that's probably been really good. So guys, this is the 4 tubes of Thalgo from the Thalgo Discovery Cracker Pack, which you can also get on a 3 or a 6 month subscription of your Vanity Cask box. If you want to know what to expect in this month's Vanity Cask box, which by the way was absolutely amazing, you can check the link in the description box below. And of course, if you want to get this box for yourself, you can still check the link in the description box below. So guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you already have tried out any of the Thalgo products yourself, or if you have already gotten one of these kits for yourself, this kit for yourself, yeah, one of these kits is also fine, I think. If you have tried the Thalgo Discovery Cracker Pack, just share your experience in the comment section below. I would love to know how it's been working for you all. It's definitely one of the new brands for me because, you know, so far I've only been trying out those really tiny sample size products, and it doesn't give you a very good idea of how the product might actually work for you. This is the first time that I'm actually trying it out properly in such a nice way for such a nice prolonged time. So yes, please feel free to share your comments in the comment section below if you've already tried it out, and if you have any queries, please share those queries as well in the comment section below. I would love to get back to you guys. Oh my god, sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Oh thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye. Like this no, too sorry. Oh, talk about my current skincare nude. Thalgo. So this, yeah, too much sunlight, yeah.